Hey, do you think you know what DR Horton's about? Think again. This home right here in Leander, the Quincy floor plan, is packing way more than you'd expect. So stick around to find out all the surprises this home has to offer. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Jaden Tipton. I'm a local realtor in the greater Austin area with Realty of America. On my channel, we like to feature homes, and right this one behind me, the Quincy floor plan by DR Horton in the Rosеңbusch Ranch community. If you want to know more information about homes like this one, hey, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at JadenTipton_realtor. Call or text me directly, and I'd love to give you that information. Let's go check out this home. Leander is one of the fastest growing suburbs in the greater Austin area, and for good reason. You've got top rated LAC schools, plenty of parks, greenbelts, and quick access to major roads like 183A and the Metro Rail Station, making commutes into Austin a breeze. And with new retail developments, H-E-B, restaurants, and even the upcoming Northline development, it's not just convenient, it's turning into a destination. And check this out, DR Horton is known for their smart home package. So you're getting features like a video doorbell, a smart thermostat, and keyless entry, all included, not upgrade. All right, guys, we're gonna start out here in the exterior. I'm gonna point out a couple things that are standard features of this home. You're gonna notice an exterior light that does come with the home. 2 trees that are included in your generous landscaping package. This includes a fully sodded front, side, and rear yard with a full irrigation system. And those are some of the things that are standard features on these homes. There's a lot more, and if you want to know more about them, I'd love to share that information with you. Let's take a step inside and don't trip on your way in your home, like me. We're gonna come in here. I'm gonna throw my shoes off real quick, keep this home clean. You're gonna notice your standard feature door. Then right here on this floor plan specifically, you're gonna have a study right here off to the left. Really just an open study. No door, no anything, so make it how you want. Use it as a second living area as shown here, or use it as your office. It really just makes this room feel a lot bigger whenever you don't have the doors. So we're gonna walk into here, and as I continue the tour, I'm gonna read off some standard features with y'all. You're gonna notice some quartz countertops. That is a standard feature in homes like this one, with a mounted sink, gas range, as well as your electric stove. Combo 42-inch upper cabinets, picture frame-esque looking cabinets as well with hidden hinges, standard feature pantry, as well as your stainless steel appliances. These are all standard features in homes like this. You're going to notice this floor plan is extremely open. Right here you have your open floor dining room, you have your open floor living room that walks into both near your back door and your primary suite. We're going to take a step out in the back real quick, and I just want to point out a feature. So for homes like these, you notice that this one is extremely covered. Unfortunately, this is not a standard feature. It is something you can opt for. Gives you a really nice space to entertain guests out here, as well as being on a 50-foot lot. You get a huge backyard for a home this size, which really is just appealing and really nice. So we're gonna make our way back in to this house right here. And we're gonna head into the primary suite. I'm gonna allow my cameraman to walk down there. We're gonna check out the primary suite. So what you're gonna notice is a standard room, huge. You got plenty of room to do whatever you want in here. Features dual windows. But we're gonna go into the bathroom here in a second. And what you're gonna notice is just a quartz countertop, just like your kitchen. You're gonna notice framed mirrors, raised height vanities, stand-up shower, walk-in closet. Right here, this is going to be pretty standard in any home that you buy like this one. We're going to go into our walk-in closet over here. You're going to notice ample room for anything that you need. Really and truly, you can make this how you need it. And we're going to go to the favorite part of any house that I've ever toured, and that is your bathroom toilet. Because most builders are doing this right here. And when you have stinky bathroom needs, you just shut it right away. So let's walk out. And we're going to go ahead and go to our first bedroom. That's not the primary suite, which is located on your primary floor, which is really nice. So we're going to walk it this way. You're going to notice one of 3 bathrooms as well. Again, standard quartz countertops, nice tile backsplash on your bathtub, standard bathtub with a open air way of storing towels and things like that. You're going to walk into your first bedroom that features a lot of generous space for a normal sized bedroom with somewhat of a walk-in closet, enough for you to hang your clothes and things like that. So let's take a look over here. We're going to notice under the stair closet, utilizing all the space possible in a home like this. Then right here behind me is your standard laundry room. Plenty of room to do whatever you want with it, upgrade it, add cabinets, add shelves, you name it, you could probably do it. And so I want you to look at these floors real quick before we go upstairs. You will notice that they are plank flooring. This is a standard feature in these homes. When I tell you there's are surprises waiting, this is a standard feature in your main wet areas, primary living areas, and things like that. So we're gonna take a step upstairs and check it out. All right, guys. I'm being a little silly, but that's okay. So we're gonna go up here. This is gonna be your generous sized game room. I mean, really just a lot of space for you to do whatever. As you can see, they got a poker setup going on. They got a living setup going on. They got bookshelves. Great view outside of a window like these. Whenever you have a dual window like this, it lets in a lot of natural light. Really makes the space feel airy. You notice the carpet. This is a standard feature on the upstairs part of the home. Features a 6-pound pad, which really deadened noise from the downstairs. Whoops. We're gonna move over here to the left. Is your third final bathroom. Sorry. Same concept. Tile backsplash in the bathtub, quartz countertops, open linen closet with another linen closet off the bathroom, which really gives you room for towels, blankets, whatever you need. We're going to walk into this student size bedroom as well. This is your third of 4 bedrooms. We're going to check out the last one here in a second. It's a nice standard size closet. Really has a lot of room if you have kids or just need a lot of space. There is a lot of room in a house like this one. And we're going to walk into the final bedroom, which really, again, a lot of space compared to most builders. So really, you're just getting a lot of value in a home like this one. And again, same generous sized closet, which featured a lot of room for you to hang clothes and things like that. And so this one features a 2-car garage in this floor plan, but there are floor plans in this community that had a 3-car garage if you're looking for that. And we're going to wrap up this tour. And really, I pretty much gave you everything that comes included. There's a lot more. So if you want to know more about it, let me know. I would love to get that information to you. And if you see yourself in a home like this one, I'd love to help you out with it. Anyways, if you could like, comment, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, it really helps me grow and stay in the area of real estate. I'd love to help you out. Have a great day. Peace out.